So now what we're gonna do is, all right, it's status okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pretend that we lost a phase, and we should hear the alarm. Yep, phase loss detected. We got an alarm. So both ends good. So it's good.
It did trip. Okay.
Yep. All right, so now we got our face back and we should be able to silence the alarm. And now the other thing that we want to check is the time and see, well, first we want to see if we can turn the lights on. So we got, on this one, we got 3 timers. So this is where you can go manual and turn on the lights if you have them hook up to whatever it is that you want to turn on. That's timer 1. All right, got turned on. Timer 2. Let me know if 3 turns on.
Yep.
All right, and then 4.
Yep.
Yep, that's it. So you can go here, do the manual control, right? You go to lights, and then you can go to schedule. And then here we want to check the time, make sure that we're on the right time. It's a little bit off. If you want to change the time, we click on it. Actually, we go to settings.
Are we setting it for our time or destination time?
Well, for our own test purpose, we're gonna set it on our time.
Okay.
So see, it's 10:39. It's close enough, and it's the 7, right? So yeah.
Yes, 7.
Right. So another thing that we want to check is to set the timers. So it's 10:31. So we're gonna pretend that we're gonna turn it on at 33, and then we also got to change that to AM. Change that to 10. And change that to 10. 35 AM. So when it gets to 33, those 3 timers should turn on. Actually, what you got to do is go to schedule, and then you can, this is where you enable them. You have to enable them to, that way you can set a schedule and it'll turn on. And then when you set a schedule, you gotta press this button. You gotta hear that beep. That'll set the override timer, and then once it turns to 10:33, we should have the timers turn on, indicating that whatever that timer is powering, it's gonna turn on.